Dear student friends, welcome to the Vivasa classes. Now, before we begin with physics, let us discuss about what is science. What is science? Let us first study about what is science. So this science word is derived from the Latin word scientia. This is Latin word scientia. Now, meaning of this word in English is to know. Meaning of this in English is to know. That means science is a Latin word, scientia, and this means to know. If you want to know anything, it is called as a science now. Now, this science has got two branches are there. One branch is called as a physical science. This is called as a physical science, and another is there that is called as an biological science. This is another is a biological science now. Now here the physical science is there that deals with non-living things. This is non-living things, and the biological science is there. Now this deals with living things. This is living things now. Let us see. Science has got the two parts are there. One is for the physical science is there here. That is, you can say for this one, the things are such that they are all for the non-living things now. That means in physical science, you are dealing with non-living things. Now, when you come to the biological science now, in the biological science, you are dealing with living things now. Now, see, you have classified the science into two types. Now, one is a physical for non-living, another is a biological for the living things now. Let us discuss in detail about the physical sciences now. Now, in physical science, when you write this is a physical science, see what all comes under the physical science now. As you know, physical science dealing with the non-living things. Now, here that comes is you can say that physics now. This is physics dealing with non-living things. Then our another subject is chemistry. This is also non-living things. Then you come to the geology. This is also for non-living things. Then you write geography. This is also for non-living things. Then you write again is astronomy. Astronomy. This is also for non-living things. Then this is astrology is also for non-living things. And you write here as oceanology. This is oceanology is also for non-living things now. All these study if you make now that comes in the physical science now. If you repeat this, physical science is study of non-living things like they are divided into different sections now. This physics is one section, chemistry is another one, geology another one, geography, astronomy, astrology and oceanography. These are all there are there now. They are all comes under this is physical, this is science now. I hope you understood now. Physical science is for study of non-living things. Let us take another definition now that is for living things. For living things we are called as a biological, that is known as this is biological science. Now see in biological science is what are is covered now, that is all for the living things now. If you want to study about animals, then that comes under the zoology. You study about plants now, that comes under botany. Here again you study about birds, if you make scientific study of birds now, that is also comes under biology now. This is ornithology. That comes under biology now. That means what this tells us now, in the biological science you are covering about animals study, that plant study, and also studying about the birds. They are studying very closely birds now, that is called the ornithology now. So this is the study you are doing in the biology now. That means the two branches are there, that one physical science and the biological science you are doing that. The different philosophers have defined the science in different ways now. They given the different meaning, and let us now come to the, after the definition of this one, let us come to the physics now. Now you people are very much interested in physics, that what is physics now. Now this is the physics is coming from Latin word. This is also coming from Latin word, and this Latin word is there now. That Latin word is like this, Fusis, physis. The meaning of this one is nature. The meaning of this one is nature. That means, say physics is a branch of science which deals with the study of nature and day-to-day changes in the nature. And you are calling, sometimes they are calling the natural science also. Or you can say it is a systematic study of physical nature and natural phenomena. You can say this is a systematic study of, this is a physical nature and natural phenomena. This is natural phenomena. This is, you can say, we are studying about natural phenomena. In this one, the physics is the study of physical nature and natural phenomena also, you can tell now. Now this is what you are doing now. When you come to the physics, you are studying the non-living things. Then here comes the nature is the non-living things here. You can say the nature, whatever physical nature is there, you are studying natural phenomena also studying now. This is a definition for the physics is there. Physics, actually it was called the science of measurement also. Now it has called as is a physics, a branch of science which deals with study of matter, energy and their mutual relations. Now, as when the time requires, they slowly they modified here. Now, what are natural phenomena here? Let us go for some natural phenomena. See, what are natural phenomena are there now? Okay, you may ask what are the natural phenomena are there now here. Let us see natural phenomena now. Now these are the phenomena happening in the nature. They are called natural phenomena. Say this is day happens here, and this is night happens. Day and night is a natural phenomena. You can say day and nights are natural phenomena. Also now seasons. Also twinkling of stars. Twinkling of stars is a natural phenomenon. So these are the some few phenomena are there. Twinkling of stars is there. Twinkling of the day and night type of solar eclipse icon. They are all nothing but the natural phenomena. Natural phenomena express now. That means in the physics, we are studying about natural phenomena. We are studying about natural phenomena. Now say this natural phenomena is there, that starts from a very smallest minute particle from an atom. You can say from atom we are going for entire our galaxy. What is happening in the galaxy? The solar system to the atom, small is atomic particle, and you are going up to the whole the galaxy Milky Way, studying all these things under the natural phenomena now. This is how we are going with the science. Science has got two branches are there now, physical and biological now. Then you are coming to the physics, is a physical science now. Greek word is a physis, and this is nature now. You are studying on this one physical nature. They are studying natural phenomena, whatever happening into the nature you are studying now. Now, physical matter is again a question now. This is a physical matter. Now, say you want to know what is a physical matter now. The physical matter means anything anything, say anything, I can write which is having mass mass and occupies space occupies space is called as matter. That means you can define the physical matter or matter as matter is anything which occupies space and have some mass. Now you take small object like this object is having mass, it has mass, and this object is occupying space. Now you can say this occupying space here. The anything such a thing is there which has got mass and occupies space. Now you can call it as a matter. Now this is called a physical matter. Now here afterwards we are studying about the physical matter here. The physical matter means what? Matter means anything which occupies space and have some mass. Now this is the idea about the physical matter. Now let us come to the scope of physics now, or you can range of the subject now. What is the range here? It is a very vast range is there. It covers many branches like in the physics what happens, we come out to the many branches like mechanics. Now this is one branch. Mechanics is study of the motion now of the bodies, and you are also studying this is electrodynamics. This is electrodynamics. You are also studying thermodynamics. This is thermodynamics now. Thermodynamics means it is study of heat flow. Then you are studying light is for optics. You are studying acoustics, sound flow. This is acoustics now. Then you are studying relativity. Relativity you are studying now. This is motion with respect to the another now. You are studying about nuclear. Studying about nuclear physics now. That is atomic and subatomic particle studying now in this one. Now these are all studies are covered in the physics now. Physics covers all these parts which you are going to study now. Now when you come to the another thing that is called atomic phenomena to astronomical phenomena. That means physics explains from atomic structure, which is a building block of the nature, to the entire nature astronomical phenomena. That is, it deals with the length range of 10 raised to minus 15 meter. The length you are talking about, this is from 10 raised to 15 meter. The very small, this becomes an radius of the nucleus, to this is 10 raised to 26 meter. 10 raised to 26 radius of observed universe. Now this is radius of the universe. This is small atom is there. This one you take the entire universe now. Universe radius is this much now. You are going from that very small things like from atom to the you are going from. This is one length scope is there. When you mass you are taking now, mass is going from 10 raised to minus 30 kg, mass of the electron, to 10 raised to 55 kg, mass of your universe now. This is one electron is there, and this is mass of the universe is there. Then we are talking about the range, that is the time range you are talking about, that comes about minus 22 second to this comes to the 10 raised to 18 second now. Let us see, you are going from 10 raised to minus 22 second, the variations you are measuring here. 10 raised to minus 30 kg weight you are measuring here. 10 raised to minus 15 meter length you are measuring here. Now this is what the scope of physics is there. This you can say, for example, you are going from here, this is small to this is a big now. Small is an entire nucleus now, the big is entire universe now. You are studying the scope of physics is there. Now this is all about today. You got the introduction physics now. Now in next class we can go for the great excitement of the physics now. There is a great enjoyment and interest is there in next class now. Let us come to the next class to know more about the physics. Thank you one and all for joining this class. Let us see you people in the next class.